The US and China have agreed to hold trade talks in the coming days. The Chinese Commerce Ministry says the talks will help evaluate progress on their Phase 1 trade deal. It's been about 6 months since the deal was implemented. US President Donald Trump has already said the trade talks were postponed indefinitely due to China's handling of the coronavirus pandemic.
Qantas has posted a record annual loss of $1.4 billion as the coronavirus pandemic bites. It's the Australian airline's worst financial result in a century. CEO Alan Joyce has blamed the loss on state and international border closures that stopped the majority of flights. Now he's also called for greater clarity regarding state border closures which have affected domestic travel. 2/3 of the 6,000 planned job cuts will be finalized by the end of September. Qantas says international travel is unlikely to resume until the middle of next year, with a possible exception of flights to New Zealand.
The world's most valuable company is now more valuable. Apple has become the first US firm to hit a market value of $2 trillion, although just for a while. Shares in the tech giant hit a high of almost $469 each. That works out to a market cap of $2 trillion. The gains eventually were pared back for a closing price of just under $463. The jump comes just 2 years after Apple became the first publicly listed US company with a market value of $1 trillion. The counter is up almost 60% so far this year. The increase has been partly boosted by growing investor confidence in a move towards things like video, music, and games.